Top Thrill 2 spike going vertical. Look at this. This is the first strata structure since Kingda Ka was built. So this is crazy, guys. It's been almost 20 years. Like 18 years? Insanity. Look at this.
Welcome back to Ghoster Coasters. It's been another fun-filled week and some new things coming around about Top Thrill 2. So let's head on into this one.
So we've seen obvious construction going on. We got to ride Iron Dragon and look at that spike firsthand. And as stated in the beginning of this video, this is the first strata structure since Kingda Ka, 2004 and 5. Like, come on, guys, think about this. This is one of the craziest things ever that we're seeing. This is huge work. Tony Clark did tweet the other day and say that they are at about 149 feet and then quickly corrected it and said about 130, 135, I believe.
Yep.
So they are going vertical very quick. We guessed maybe 250 feet by the end of the season, and it looks like they're probably going to have it done, at least the vertical part of it done, by the end of the season. Now, the reasoning for this is I think that they're looking at a lot of the things that Kingda Ka had issues with while building and Top Thrill Dragster, and they waited so long going into the cold months, right? So they had some hard times setting the the foundations and everything else, and then coming back to it and rebuilding at the or leveling things, I should say, not rebuilding, but leveling things off. So I think they're trying to get the work done before the cold weather, because obviously weather permitting, that makes it hard.
Yes.
They don't want to get behind on schedule. So I think they're going to throw this thing up really quick, learning from their past mistakes, which is a great thing for all of us.
Yeah.
But again, this skyline is changing very quickly. I mean, you could see it from downtown Sandusky. Isn't it crazy driving up now?
Yeah, it is really crazy to see. Like, just wow. Like, it's going to be so massive, and that skyline is going to be incredible.
And we've had some questions about whether that track is, Intamin track, how Zamperla is making track that looks identical to Intamin's track. Well, I got a little inside scoop, some inside information. The patent for that old iBox track has expired, so it is fairly easy for a company to copy and paste it, essentially run it through their program, see if everything matches up, and then reproduce that track. So pretty much this is Zamperla track, obviously. I didn't think anything different, but some other people definitely had some questions about it. That is an interesting thing. Now they're using those Intrasys LSMs. This is awesome. We're getting more and more technical news about this ride every week, and we're seeing the spike go flying up. We're going to have some more footage on the ground here, trying to see, what's going on down there. We see the structures going up and the station. Let us know what you guys think.